Hi, folks. Global world news. Want to give you a quick update on the crisis in Venezuela as three Venezuelan defectors rammed a barrier blocking a border bridge. We do have video of this, and it's pretty unsettling. But it seems as though three defectors in some heavily armored trucks gunned it for the Colombian border. While civilians were massed around this border, they seemed to be unfazed as they punched the gas and aim for the border, and people run and scatter for their life. So things are still very tense down there. A lot happening. This is some breaking video that just came out from there. It's very unsettling. So if you're, have a bit of a queasy stomach, I would suggest not to watch this. Truly heartbreaking video to watch, guys. Let's just hope this gets settled quickly because it looks like it's about to get worse before it gets better. Thanks for watching. I will be up to date on this as news crosses my desk. That's it for now.